Good morning, everyone. We are here on a Tuesday morning with Dawn. Dawn is about to have her 6th SoftWave Tissue Regenerative Therapy treatment for a knee problem that she's had for many, many years. And I'm going to let her describe what is going on and her symptoms and how she's doing with treatment.
Hi, good morning. My name is Dawn, and I was told that I need a partial knee replacement. I couldn't walk, limping, ready for a cane, and found out about this amazing therapy. I'm on my 6th section, doing the Peloton, wearing heels again, not limping at all. Little stiffness, but it's just amazing. I don't know what I would have done without this, and I'm telling the world about it because it's beautiful.
What was your pain level before treatment started?
Like a 10.
And what's your pain level now?
No pain, just stiffness.
There you have it, folks. Tell the world.